So guys, finally we are having some legit leaks for the upcoming OnePlus 90 and this is going to be amazing. OnePlus is all set to launch a new phone, the OnePlus Nord CE, and ahead of its launch, information has started trickle in about the company launching another phone very soon. As per the latest reports, the company could soon launch the OnePlus 90 and specifications of the device have been leaked on the web, giving us a better idea about what the device could offer. It is expected to be the successor of OnePlus 8T. This new phone has leaked on Weibo. The leak also suggests that there may not be another phone launch alongside it. Much like 2020 when OnePlus did not launch the OnePlus 8T Pro, it appears there won't be a Pro device this year too. Now this makes a lot of sense considering OnePlus stated last year that it did not see the need of a OnePlus 8T Pro as the OnePlus 8 Pro offered all the necessary Pro features. Now for 2021, it appears OnePlus will not launch a Pro model because of the same reason. As for the OnePlus 90, the latest leak suggests that the phone will feature a Samsung LTPO OLED display capable of 120Hz variable refresh rate. The display is expected to be curved and support up to 1080p Full HD Plus resolution. Apart from this, there is some information available about the features of the OnePlus 9T. As per leaks, the upcoming OnePlus 90 is expected to bring a number of new features, including the premium ones on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The phone is also tipped to be cheaper than OnePlus 9 Pro, which is quite expected. However, it will still be more expensive than the OnePlus 9. Now considering this, we expect the upcoming OnePlus 90 will also have a similar feature as OnePlus 9 Pro. The same flagship Snapdragon 888 chip will also run the OnePlus 90, which will be paired with at least 8GB of RAM and 128GB of constant storage. The Indian launch might take some time as the brand is now gearing up for the launch of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, which could be the most affordable 5G device from the brand. The phone is also confirmed to feature a new sleek and streamlined design. Moreover, considering the price of the OnePlus 8T, the successor OnePlus 90 is also believed to sit somewhere in between the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro. In this price range, ASUS, iQOO have launched a slew of devices lately, which all can be a great rival for the upcoming OnePlus 90. However, it will also depend on the price tag of the smartphone. So guys, what do you think OnePlus 90 will cost and what are the features you are expecting to see in the upcoming 90? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.